At Leith Toyota, we're proud to say we've been a Leith automotive dealer since 1990. Remaining a successful car dealer for 24 years and counting doesn't come easy. It's a testament to our hard work, dedication to excellent customer service, tremendous inventory of new and pre-owned vehicles, and competitively low prices. Are you looking for a car with tons of style? One that will get you from place to place with ease? Look no further than the Toyota Corolla. A low-profile, distinct front end and sharp-looking wheels give the Corolla a design to be remembered by. Every inch of the exterior is sport-inspired and wind-tunnel tested for maximum aerodynamic function. It also features LED low-beam headlights and LED daytime running lights. Inside, the Corolla offers a premium-style interior with comfortable seats and modern technology. Enjoy standard Bluetooth connectivity, a multifunction steering wheel, and USB integration. The Corolla offers the reliability of front-wheel drive and an independent front suspension. It's powered by a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine with variable valve timing intelligence for greater efficiency. This car is also exceptionally safe thanks to the STAR safety system. Don't forget to ask about the optional moonroof and backup camera. Drive a Corolla today at Leith Toyota in Raleigh. Leith, the name you can trust.